thought I was still 25. Then as seasons are the afterlife. My knees, my neck, my back. Sound like microwave and bubble wrap. My knees, my neck, my back. Stand too quick, whole spine go flat. Hey, one bad nap and my week gets fracked. My knees, my neck, my back. Everything got Bluetooth cracks. Used to party Friday night till 3. Now I cancel plans aggressively. Friends say shots, I say absolutely not. One margarita got my heartbeat hot. Hey, drop my keys by the kitchen floor. Look down one, said to live there, no. Try to spot to pick 'em up quick. Made a noise like an old power ship. I don't run unless the sales involved. Hey, hey. Even then I jog like an exhausted frog. Hey. Stretching first before I clean the house. Whoa. Warm up longer than professional sports now. Hey, hey, hey. Now that I've gotten older, everything makes a noise for me. My knees, my neck, my back. Every step got around my knees, my neck, my back. Turn too fast, get 6 slow snaps. Yeah. Sat too long, now I live like that. My knees, my neck, my back. Hey, hey, hey. Woke up hurt and I did nothing wrong. Played it too heavy all night long. Tried a little dance from the internet. Now my left hips in the meat thread. Time may go, people know just wanna stand. Ooh, ah, like a broken accordion band. Hey, 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 hey. Me reading glasses to read my phone, but lose the glasses while they on my nose. Coffee in my cup by 8 a.m. Still somehow tired by 8:10. Went to the store for one small thing. Came back home with cheese and string. Oh.